Here I have KIANO Elegance 5.1 and let me show you how to set the screen lock protection on the following phone. At the very beginning, let me start by using my home screen. Let me tap apps icon, then find and select settings. Afterwards, scroll down to personal tab and choose security. Then choose screen lock. And now you have to decide either you would like to use swipe, pattern, voice unlock, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. As you can see, you can now draw your unlock pattern. Let me use that one. Let's tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. And now you have to choose your form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. So let me do it by using show all notification content and let's tap done. That's it. Now you can change some settings about the security. For example, you can make pattern invisible if you wish. You can change the automatically lock time, or you can leave it as simple as that. Let me just show you how does it work. Let's simply use power key. Now the device is locked. If you would like to use your phone, you have to unlock it by using your pattern. So it was my pattern. And now the device is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.